What's up with the Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today we are on week 3. I think it's week 3. Yes, week 3, week 51. If you want to consider the whole Minoxidil journey, you know what I'm saying? But this is actually week 3 of the start over since I cut it all off. You feel me? You know, well, not all of it, but you know, this part, the cheeks or whatever, and I cut this down too, you know what I'm saying? So it's been about, 3 weeks. And hey, without further ado, let's get into these results. You see what I'm saying? So for week 3, this is what we got going. Y'all see the vellus hairs? They coming in real good. And I got some product, you know what I mean? Some new product I want to discuss, you know what I mean? But anyway, back to it. So, y'all see the vellus hairs all under the neck, all that's looking good. Goatee always, you know what I'm saying, the chin, neck, this always been pretty, luscious, you feel me? But work around here. This is my weak side, but y'all can see the vellus hairs, everything like that. So keeping it brushed, keeping it moisturized, all that. Here go the mustache. Boom. Y'all see it, connectors, soul pack, not too shabby. I'm really excited about these vellus hairs right here. It's gonna connect eventually. It's been 3 weeks since the grow back, so I don't know, I'll give it another month or 2 to see where it is, you know what I mean? Beard game, you feel me? Now, as far as the new product goes, other than the Minoxidil, got the foam right here, even got the liquid kind, both equate from Walmart. These are empty. I just wanted to show y'all that this is the Minoxidil I use, so yeah. Anyway, you can get that at Walmart and all that, but this product right here, boom. Y'all see that? It's called Hair Spritz, and it's from, let me get close, let y'all focus in. Focus in. There it is. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it says Rocasa. That RC stands for Rocasa. Look it up. It's all natural. You know what I'm saying? Hair spritz. Let me read some of these ingredients. So the ingredients is witch hazel, 100% pure therapeutic grade essential oils, rosemary, cedarwood, lavender, and tea tree. You know what I mean? So here it is. If y'all can read backwards, y'all code, but those are the ingredients right there. Rocasa is a great place for any type of essential oil products, natural. They got stuff for medicines like elderberry and all that. They 100% healthy and natural, you know what I mean? So go there. But anyway, I've been spraying this bad boy on my beard, you know what I mean? On my future beard. That's what's helping this come along, you know what I mean? Other than the Minoxidil, pair with this, and a good brush, good brush. Have the brush session, you know what I mean? Day in, day out, throughout the day, gotta have it. But this product right here, I've noticed some pretty good gains from this. It's keeping the beard moisturized, the hair that I do have, and the skin on my cheek where the hair is growing, where my vellus hairs are, you know what I mean? I'm noticing some pretty good gains. I don't know if it's from, months of using this, or hey, this right here, or this is waking me up. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, Rocasa, all natural. Get you some of this hair spritz. Trust me, you're gonna notice a difference. You will notice a difference with the hair spritz. Now, as far as this product goes, I can't take all the credit. Nope, I can't take all the credit. My wife, she's the one that ordered this after she had 2 kids back to back, basically, you know what I mean? I got a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old, and she ordered this when her hair started falling out from that postpartum stuff that women go through after having kids, you know what I mean? So she ordered this and was using it religiously, and she noticed results like, quick, you know what I mean? So I was like, hey, this got all the ingredients people told me to take, the rosemary, the tea tree, and all that other stuff in there. I need to try this. I've been on it for probably about maybe, a week and a half. I've noticed some changes, you know what I mean? Now, like I said, I don't know if it's from just the brushing and the Minoxidil with this, or this had like a boost in it. I don't know, but this natural stuff is where it's at. You feel me? But anyways, enough about the product. I just had to get on here and show y'all the update. You know what I'm saying? Being that it's my 3rd week, starting back fresh. I'm gonna try to keep y'all updated once a week. You know what I mean? I kind of fell off because of the whole fake Minoxidil thing and all that. Kind of put your boy back a little bit. So I was just like, forget it. You know, why not start over? There's a whole bunch of people rocking with me anyway. So, hey, y'all back with me 3rd weekend. This the boy. Yeah, read it away, player. But anyways, guys and girls, and yes, girls too, because y'all got husbands and boyfriends. And hey, with this product, if y'all have kids, you know, just want to grow your eyebrows or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Some of y'all might want a beard, who knows? But hey, this product is for both men and female and whatever else you want to call yourself. This is for you, you know what I'm saying? Get it? Good, you feel me? But anyways, I don't want to keep y'all too long. Y'all done seen it, and it's time for me to go. So you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.